Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today's video, we're going to be talking about under cabinet lighting. And the problem we have with this under cabinet lighting is some of the lights light up and some of them do not light up. Now, the first thing you want to do is before you go doing anything is you want to make sure that some of the lights work and some of the lights don't work. If all of the lights are out, you may have a different problem. All right, but in this case, we know that the light bulbs are burned out, so I'm going to show you how to measure the light bulb and get the correct bulb to put it back in. As I said, these are low voltage lights underneath here. Normal lights in your house are 110 or 120 volts. These, I think they're either 12 or 24 volts, so it's a low output or low voltage light bulb. All right, but don't go underneath there and touch the light bulbs with your fingers because they still can be very hot. Make sure that the power is turned off, the light bulbs are off, and then we're going to get underneath there. We'll take them out and we'll put the new ones in. But let me show you what the problem is under there, and then we're going to order the bulbs and we're going to put it all back together. Now, I already have the bulbs here, but you will need to order them once you determine the length and size of the bulb you have. All right, so come on, I'll show you what the problem is. Okay, so this is the problem. Some of the bulbs are out. Some of the bulbs are on, and then what we're going to do now is we're going to come up underneath here. We're going to take these bulbs out, and we're going to replace them with new ones. All right, so let's turn these lights off first, let it cool off for a minute, and then we'll come up underneath here and we'll replace them. But in the meantime, I want to talk about the bulbs. Okay, so we took the light bulbs out to see what they look like, and this is what the bulbs look like. Now, these look like a conventional bulb that used to be used years ago. These are not LEDs or anything like that. It's a regular light bulb, but as you can see, it's got the hook on the end. Hope you can see that. You see it's got the hook on the end there, and it's got the hook on the end over there as well. So we're just going to measure the length of the bulb itself on a ruler. We're going to go on to, of all places, where I get most of my stuff like this. I go on to Amazon because the big box store did not have this in stock. So we ordered them from Amazon, and it came in a bag like this. It comes in a pack of 10, and that is the number right there. All right, and as I said, you measure it to make sure it's the correct length, which these are the correct length. You can see that they are the same ones. Now, this is the older bulb that burned out, but this is the replacement bulb, and as you can see, the replacement has got a little blue dot on it. So that's why we know that that's the new one, and this is the burned out one. Now, the way you remove these is you would come up underneath here. I hope you can see. Okay, let's get some light up here so you can see. All right, so as you can see, this is how the bulb's connected, and you can see that hook is right over the edge, just like that, and this one just like that. All right, so let's grab our new light bulbs, and we're going to put them back in. You come up underneath the bottom right here, you hook this one, just like this, put this end here, up over here, and you push it on. Sometimes you need 3 hands to do this. Okay, that one's on. Let's grab our next one and put it in. Exact same thing. You're going to hook it on the end, just like that. Take this, put it up over here, and you push it up, just like that. And that's on. Let's try them and see. That's it. So as you can see, replacing the light bulbs is fairly easy. Just make sure when you turn your power supply off, let the bulbs cool down a little bit, because these older bulbs, they do get very hot and you may burn your fingers. I will put a link down below in my Amazon store for these bulbs just in case you need them. But that's it. This job is done and we're on to the next one. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.